Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install Wallpaper Engine. The first thing I want you to do is go to your Steam store, come here and just search for Wallpaper Engine, and I want you to click on it. Then I want you to just go ahead and scroll down until you see Buy Wallpaper Engine. Come here and click on Add to Cart. Now, once it has been added to your cart, make sure this one is selected for my account. Then click on View My Cart, and then from here you just click on Continue to Payment, and you are now able to choose your payment method. Just come and choose our Visa card, then you just enter your payment details right here, and then click on Continue. Once you're done with that, it should show up in your library, so you just open up your Steam app, you come here, click on Library, and then I want you to look for Wallpaper Engine. Just come here and click on Install, and then I want you to choose which drive you're installing to. I'll just install to my local C drive. I have enabled Create Desktop Shortcut and Create Start Menu Shortcut. I'll just come here and click on Install, and as you can see, they have begun downloading Wallpaper Engine. So wait for this to go ahead and download. There you go. It is done, as you can see right here. Now it's just validating the download, and then we'll be able to actually run Wallpaper Engine. As you can see, it is done, and now I'm able to launch it. And now you can choose your launch option. I'll just go ahead and use this one. And that is how to install Wallpaper Engine. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out as well.